Travel World Online team had an interview with Mr. Rabinder Das, General Manager Empire's Hotel Puri. Here's what he said.
Jai Jagannath. Myself, Rabi Das. I'm the General Manager of Empire's Puri Hotel. In fact, this is a privilege that this time we got IOTO here in Jagannath Dham Puri, and an opportunity comes in our staffs that we gave a chance, we gave a service to this IOTO delegates. They used to stay in our hotel for 3 days. They have taken 60 rooms. Basically, I want to say that Empire's Group is a group of hotels. We have, this is Puri, Empire's Brighton Beach. We have 130 rooms, big banquet of say around 6,000 capacity, and small 3 other halls we have, and 1 boardroom, a restaurant, play zone, a lawn, swimming pool. All these are the facilities for the leisure tourist. We do arrange for their local trip also. Jagannath Dham, Jagannath Mandir Darshan, that also in our scope. So whenever people comes to Puri, definitely they will go for Lord Jagannath Ji ka darshan pehle. Uske baad they are coming to their leisure trips. And this is a beautiful beach. In front of the beach, we are maintaining our beach. And Empire's Group has another 5 properties. One is in Bhubaneswar, this is 4-star property, Empire's Bhubaneswar. In also Paradip, Port City, that is also another 4-star hotel. And third one is there in Joda, Budville mining area, that is another one. And very shortly on November, we are going to open another property there in Chakratirtha Road in Puri. That is a boutique hotel, and this is a 5-star deluxe hotel. And very shortly, in next 2 years, we are finishing another one there in Gopalpur, Brighton Beach. That is also a 5-star deluxe hotel. And again, another property will be coming there in Chennai, then Rajasthan, Jaipur. Within 2030, we have a group of hotels having 1,000 key in our hand. And wherever we make the hotel, always we see the comfortability of our guest. जैसे कि कहावत है अतिथि देवो भव. Always we respect and we do give services, welcoming well, and our motto is definitely they will go from this place and publish and propaganda. That's why we stayed in Empire's Group, and they treated us very nicely, and this is the best in Puri. That much we can try, always from top to bottom. Staffs, whomsoever you ask, it's experience back with not less than 15 years minimum. So that is main thing that credit goes to our owner, the founder of this Hotel Group, Empires, Mr. Mayunanda Mishra, and his 2 sons, Charchit Mishra and Chandan Mishra, directors. They always see this is the benefit of the staffs. Staff-oriented hotel. You never find this type of hotel. I must say, wherever you'll go, you'll find this thoda professionalism and seriousness all over. But here, this is in our group. there is no seriousness and professionalism that we have to follow, because this is a hospitality industry, and whether if you are not going to give services, good services, people won't come to you. They will find another option. It's a very the hotels are coming up, brand hotels in Puri nowadays. That was Pele. We talk about Mayfair, we talk about Swasti, we talk about Fortune, Taj, Sterling, Kusali. These are the good hotels in Hans Coco Palm. These are the good hotels there was. But for this year, we are adding many brand hotels in our city, Jagannath Dham. Taj has come up, Fortune has come up, other one Swasti has come up 1 year back, and again the same thing is Ananya Pride is there, Pride Group, Regenda has come up, so and Radisson is coming very shortly. So after 2 years, sir, you won't believe, Puri will be a tourist destination spot all over India, I must say. But this is, sorry to say, sir, we are also lacking behind, because foreign tourist has come down. If you talk before 3-4 years, the movement of the foreign tourist and today's foreign tourist comparison is very less in comparison to 4 to 5 years. So that much government has taken the positive things to bring them to our Odisha and lovely state with the hospitality and the food of Odisha, the people of Odisha, the staff of Odisha. They are very cooperative and very simple living people, and they always respect to others, and that's the thing. And we thought definitely empires will grow more. And one more thing, sir, when we give service to our guests, always think they are our ambassadors. They'll go from this place and talk only about empires wherever they will go, and the services they get from our staffs, our property. So they will be using only one property in Odisha, that is empires, as because they are the brand ambassador power. So we must try to make them happy. That's the thing. And people are happy, then they will publish, they will say about Empires Group. So I use the word ambassador is appropriate word to our guest only.
Thank you. You are watching Travel World Online.